You're not weak. You're tired. You're stressed. You've been holding yourself together for too long. In this video, we'll reset your body and calm your mind through 12 gentle yoga poses designed to reduce stress and release fatigue. Each pose is simple, soothing, and suitable for all levels. So roll out your mat, breathe slowly, and let your body remember what inner peace feels like. 1. Child's pose. Stress often builds in silence. In child's pose, you gently curl into yourself, forehead resting on the mat as if placing your worries down. Your back relaxes, your breath slows, and your nervous system gets the signal it's finally safe to let go. 2. Standing forward bend. As you fold forward, fatigue slides down your spine. Gravity stretches the hamstrings while your head hangs freely. It's a quiet release, as if emptying your thoughts directly into the earth. 3. Cat-cow pose. With every inhale and exhale, your spine moves like a wave. Cat-cow is gentle rhythm therapy, loosening mental tightness while massaging your organs and improving blood flow. Stress melts into movement. 4. Legs up the wall. One of the most powerful poses to beat exhaustion. Elevating your legs reverses blood flow, reduces swelling, and instantly triggers relaxation. It feels like giving your body a peaceful reset. 5. Reclined bound angle pose. As your knees fall open and your heart lifts, your body enters rest mode. This pose encourages deep breathing, releasing tension from the hips, the place where emotional fatigue hides first. 6. Seated forward bend. You gently reach for your feet, consciously avoiding force. It's not about flexibility, it's about surrender. Your nervous system begins powering down the moment you exhale fully into this stretch. 7. Supported bridge pose. With a block under the sacrum, your chest opens softly toward the sky. Anxiety reduces as the heart relaxes. This mild inversion calms the mind and relieves pressure from the lower back. 8. Thread. The needle pose. As one arm slides beneath your shoulder, your body twists gently. The upper back releases trapped tension from long hours of mental strain. This pose reminds you, rest doesn't require strength, only permission. 9. Supine spinal twist. Lying down, one knee crosses over your body. Your gaze moves opposite. A quiet spinal detox that wrings out fatigue and emotional stress. Each breath feels like untying a knot inside you. 10. Puppy pose. Halfway between child's pose and downward dog, this posture gently melts the chest toward the mat. Shoulders soften, the heart opens. It's like whispering to your body you don't have to carry it all anymore. 11. Easy pose with deep breathing. Sitting cross-legged, hands resting gently on knees, you focus only on breath. Slow, quiet, intentional. Stress fades as the parasympathetic nervous system activates. Fatigue lifts like a soft curtain rising. 12. Corpse pose. The final surrender. No stretch, no effort, just stillness. Savasana completes the cycle, allowing the mind and body to absorb peace. In this quiet moment, healing truly begins. Stress doesn't disappear by ignoring it. It softens when you listen to your body, slow down, and breathe. If today's session helped you feel lighter, calmer, or just a little more you, give yourself credit. Practice these poses often and watch how your energy and peace return. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps us moving forward one relaxing breath at a time.